everybody, today we're going to be making this ice cream stick Santa. That's why you can see we require cotton. We also require black color and we also require red color and we also need yellow color for the belt there. And then it's pretty obvious you would require a ice cream stick. That's why first to start off you can take the black color and color this part, the bottom. That's why I already colored it. And then you draw a tiny little line after you color. So you can see this gap. And after that, you also make another line over here. Let's say over here there'll be the belt. We'll draw the belt. And we require the red color now, which we will draw this part of Santa. That's why you can color the red part like this, and then that's why I made this much till now. That's why this is the half of Santa. And now we'll be making the belt over here. That's why we first will use the yellow color. That's why the yellow color, you make a tiny little square. There, that's why I made a tiny little square. I don't think you can see it, can you? Yeah, that's why you can see there's a tiny little square. And then next to the square, I'll just make the square more bigger, darker. And next to square, you take some black color and then you color the sides. That's why now the belt is like this. That's why you have a belt now. And till now we have finished Santa's bottom part with the belt. Now we're making the middle part and then his beard with the eyes, his face and his hat over here. So we are gonna make the hat first. So it'll be, to make the hat first, we will make a black line like this on the other side. That's why there's a black line. We'll color it red over here and then we'll put cotton over here. That's why just color it red. So now this part's red. Then you can color it more different colors if you want. You can make a blue Santa or a green Santa. But I'm making a red Santa, which is what we'll usually do. Then so we have made this the hat. And then you can take some cotton, and I took this much cotton, and then we'll also require glue, and so we put the glue on top on Santa's hat. So over here, that's why we put the glue right there, and then you can take the cotton ball and put it right on top there. That's how you have the Santa's hat. You can take smaller cotton or you can take smaller cotton or bigger cotton. And now we'll be making Santa's dress and the beard and the face. That's why you can compare and see. We'll be making this part. That's why I'm gonna make his eyes. And that's why his eyes 1 and 2. You can use you can use a blackboard marker or a normal marker, and you can even use color pencils or colors to make Santa. That's why I made two little tiny eyes. And then I'm gonna draw a happy face. It's not, I drew it in the other Santa also, but you can't see it. That's covered by the beard. That's why now you get some more cotton and then you stretch it out like this. That's why there's a beard for Santa. And then I'll just put the need some glue. Then put the glue on Santa's face. This. Then close the glue, and you can take the beard and stick it right there. That's why now you have Santa's beard. You can compare. And now we'll be making last part, the dress for Santa. That's why I'll be taking the red color, and then you have to color below the beard, or if there's space near, you can color there too. Then we have to make 3 buttons. You can make 2 or more if you want. So 1, 2, 3. That's why now you have Santa Claus. You can see the 2 different Santas. That's why you can make a different color Santas or make more longer beards, or you can edit your Santa as much as you want. So that's it for this video. Hope you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video to others. Bye bye.